Many people believe that losing muscle after 60 is inevitable and irreversible, but that's far from the truth. With the right approach, you can regain muscle mass after 60, improve your strength, and enhance your quality of life. In this video, we'll explore how to regain muscle mass after 60, covering the best strength training exercises, optimal nutrition, recovery strategies, and lifestyle changes that will help you rebuild muscle and stay strong. What's up guys, I'm Dave Durrell and welcome to Strength After 50. This channel is all about helping people over 50 stay strong and live full, active lives. Now let's get right into how to regain muscle mass after 60. One of the biggest reasons people over 60 experience muscle loss is a condition called sarcopenia, the gradual loss of muscle mass, strength, and function due to aging. And while muscle loss is a natural part of aging, it's not inevitable. The key lies in proper strength training, nutrition, and recovery strategies. Step 1. Strength training. Strength training is the most effective way to regain muscle mass after 60. Resistance exercises stimulate muscle fibers, prompting them to grow stronger and larger over time. To maximize muscle growth and maintain joint health, focus on these 5 movements that work multiple muscle groups. Number 1, a lower body push exercise, such as leg presses, squats, or lunges for the legs, glutes, and hips. Number 2, a lower body flexion exercise, such as leg curls or calf raises for the hamstrings and calves. Number 3, an upper body push exercise, such as chest presses, incline presses, or overhead presses for the chest, shoulders, and triceps. Number 4, an upper body pull, such as lat pull downs or rows for the lats, upper back, and biceps. And number 5, trunk flexion or extension, such as abdominal crunches or back extensions for the abs, obliques, and lower back muscles. To learn how to get stronger at any age without getting hurt or wasting time, download my free ebook, The New Rules of Strength Training Over 50, plus 4 instructional workout videos. Just click the link in the description below the video. Step 2. Prioritize protein-rich meals. Your diet plays a crucial role in rebuilding muscle after 60. Without proper nutrition, even the best workout routine won't deliver optimal results. Protein is essential for muscle repair and growth. After 60, your body requires more protein to counteract muscle loss. So how much protein do you need? You should aim for 1.2 to 1.6 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight daily. For example, if you weigh 170 pounds, which is 77 kilograms, you'll need 92 to 124 grams of protein per day. Good protein sources include lean meats, fish, eggs and dairy, plant-based options such as lentils, quinoa, or tofu, and whey protein powders. Step 3. Stay hydrated and get key micronutrients. Beyond protein, you need to stay well hydrated. Your muscles are actually about 70% water, so maintaining adequate hydration is critical for muscle growth. Dehydration can slow muscle repair and decrease strength. Try to drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water daily. You'll also need vitamins and minerals, known as micronutrients, to support muscle growth and overall good health. Make sure to add some healthy fats, such as avocados, nuts, or olive oil, and carbohydrates, such as whole grains, fruits, and vegetables, to your diet in addition to your high-protein foods to balance out your nutrition to support your muscle building program. Step 4. Get enough sleep and manage stress. Muscle recovery is just as important as training and nutrition. Without adequate rest, sleep, and stress management, your body won't fully rebuild lost muscle. Sleep is when muscle repair and growth take place. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night. Improve sleep by maintaining a consistent bedtime routine, limiting screen time, and managing stress before bed. Managing stress also has a big impact on muscle loss. High levels of the stress hormone cortisol contribute to muscle breakdown. Meditation, yoga, deep breathing, and light walking outdoors can all reduce stress. Engaging in hobbies and social activities will also help improve mental well-being. Step 5, track progress and gradually increase intensity. Once you've started a structured strength training and nutrition plan, the next step in how to regain muscle mass after 60 is tracking your progress. Monitoring your improvements ensures you're on the right path and allows you to make necessary adjustments to keep building muscle and strength effectively. To track your progress, keep a workout log to track increases in weight, reps, or sets. Gradually increase your workout intensity by increasing reps or resistance. If you can easily complete your reps, it's time to add more weight. You can also rotate different variations of exercises to challenge your muscles in new ways. Just make sure you're still recovering properly. If you experience soreness that lasts a long time, you may need an extra rest day between strength training workouts. By following these strategies, you can regain muscle mass after 60, improve strength, and enjoy an active, independent lifestyle for years to come. To learn more about how to stay strong and fit over 50 without getting hurt or wasting time, check out the links in the description below the video.